Hello everyone, this is Chris with market3scm.com, and on today's video I'm gonna show you a website that is gonna pay you via PayPal 5, 10, 15, 20 or up to $90 for having fun expressing your opinions. So stick with me because I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do in order to get on this site and what you need to follow in order to get paid up to $90 just for expressing your opinion. But before we go ahead and start this video, if you haven't already, guys, go ahead and click the subscribe button following the video and click the bell icon in order to become part of my channel and see every single video that I launch every single day, free methods to make money online. So with no further ado, guys, really excited to show you this site today. The website is called userlytics.com. All the links, again, you can get everything below from the description down the video. And what you do, guys, with this website, once you get the link, it will bring you to the homepage, which looks something like this. And companies and users are hiring Userlytics in order to make a usability testing for the website to see if the website or the mobile app it's fine, if there is any bugs, if there is user friendly, if they can navigate around fine. So what you will do, they assign Userlytics with the website and the new app, and Userlytics assign this to testers like us in order to go ahead and test everything on these new apps and new website. And if we're able to find some suggestions or some bugs or some mistakes, and we're able to submit them, we're gonna get paid for it. So this is what is all about. Guys, it's available for most of the countries, if not all the countries, because I checked, and you can also see from your side when you register, because I know this is something everybody wants to know from the beginning of the video to see if it's available. It's very easy, very short and easy form to complete to join. You need to have a laptop or a smartphone or a tablet, as you can see, and a PayPal account where they can send you the payment after you submit. You need to be at least 16 years of age, and let me see, because I was there you go. What countries can you test from? As you can see, a lot of user testing projects are in Europe and North America, but we have also recently started to do more fun projects in South Africa, South Seas, Japan, China, and other countries around the globe. So what I would like to ask you is to invite you to click the join or free account, and once you're gonna do this, once you're gonna do this, you're gonna able to get an account open, and what they will do, they will send you an email when the task is available for your country, or more tasks based on your location and the demand. Most websites like this kind of the website, that's how they work, because they get companies to send them based on the region. They send them their new project or new app. So if it's an application that is going to be using in Europe, definitely European countries are going to be needed to test this. If it's something that's going to be in the state countries, or users are going to be needed, or something is globe, all around the globe, users are going to be needed. So stay tuned, open an account and put your information. It's very easy, it's free to join. You need to be at least 16 years of age and have a smart device, a tablet or a smartphone to able to use this. Once you are in, you're gonna get paid once a week by PayPal, and based on the answers and questions you do, you'll be getting paid 5, 10, 15, 20, up to $90 for expressing and submitting your information to these sites. So this is it, guys. This is what I want to show you. Really short, really fun, free to use. Go ahead and register, open an account with them. You will receive a notification every single time there is an open project that you need to follow and be able to submit it. Maybe there is a lot of them already listed and you don't even need to get the email, but the email usually is the best way for these companies to notify you that is a new app or a new website that needs to be tested, and you can be one of the first people that they submit. I suggest you follow your email when you do things like that, because for example, a company has a budget of 1,000 euros, let's say for example, or 2,000 USD in order to get feedback. So the first 500 people who complete this are gonna get paid $20. Otherwise, if you are not among those guys, you are not gonna get paid, and the first 500 people who do this get paid. Guys, this is a very nice way. It's not gonna make you rich overnight. It's gonna bring you some income. It's very nice and fun to do. So why not go ahead and give it a shot and try it? You can do this from anywhere around the globe. It's free. You can do it from the comfort of your house, anywhere you have access to the internet. So why not go ahead and give it a shot, register, and start making some money out of this. Now, if you want to make an actual passive income, very good passive income coming in from the comfort of your house every day, guys, every money coming into your account, make sure you click my #1 recommendation below this video. My best way that I found the last year, so that it can bring you money even when you sleep, when you're out, when you're eating, when you're having fun. Money comes in very easy. Video with proof. Every single step is proofed and showing you how to do this. So go ahead, click, watch the video, start, give it a shot. It's free. You're gonna thank me later on, guys. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to click the thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy the day. Bye bye.